What's going on, yo? It's Reflex, one of your hosts of Stuck in the Middle podcast, bringing you another segment of. Well, we don't have a title for the segment yet, but the idea is we take a story that has impacted both the continent and the diaspora, and we highlight it, man. And this week's segment is dope, man. Like this really touched me. I really enjoyed reading this. Like I know you guys have probably seen this. The story behind the viral photo of a Ghanaian teacher showing students Microsoft Word on the blackboard. Not blackboard, you know what I'm saying? Like blackboard that we use here where you go submit your assignments. Nah, like black freaking board. Look at this guy, man. First of all, look at his fit. Like, dang, homie, fresh. There's 3 stripes? Yeah, that's 3 stripes. Like, when we was coming up, teachers walked in the classroom, they looked rusty. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you're not even feeling inspired to, like, study, man. But, like, this guy, man, like, if a teacher walk in looking like this, you inspire. You're like, damn, Mr. Awura, like how you look this fly. Like he's like, yo, let me tell you something, students. And then he goes and he draws this thing on the blackboard. And like, first of all, dog, like you gotta that's some good drawing right there. Long story short, though, he posted that on his Facebook at Awura Kwado Hadish. All right, I see you with that last name, fam. It's like teaching of ICT in Ghana schools is very funny. ICT on the board pie. I love my students, so I have to do what will make them understand what I am teaching. That's some dedication right there. Look, I love teachers like this. This is real dope. Long story short, though, another hero of this story, Rebecca Enongchong. Like, shout out to Cameroon's own Rebecca Enongchong. She's big on tech, STEM. Talk about women in tech. She was last year's OK Africa 100th women, and this is Women's Month. She's doing dope things. I really love Rebecca. She's also co-founder of IO Spaces here in Silver Spring, Maryland. She gets a whiff of that. I don't know how, and she tweets Microsoft Africa. She's like, "Hey, at Microsoft Africa, he's teaching Microsoft Word on the blackboard. Surely you can get him some proper resources. Let me talk to y'all who got online cloud, man. This is how you use your platform. This is how you do it. My man just finished writing a script for DC Comics. He's trying to get DC Comics to, give him a contract to shoot it. He's DMing us like, yo, retweet this, so you can get whiff of it. That's how you do it. Take it from me. I got 600 followers on IG. I'm just kidding. Anyway, Microsoft Africa gets whiff of it after all, Rebecca's clout online, and they respond. Cue Drake's God's Plan, or whatever that song is called. I just I never said God's Plan. Anyway, they respond and they're like, supporting teachers to enable digital transformation in education is the core of what we do. We will equip Awura Kwado with a device from one of our partners and access to our MCE program and free professional development resources on education.microsoft.com. Man, that's dope. That's really dope right there. Y'all see that? That's dope, man. So he's getting, I come on, Microsoft. Like, I got a bone to pick here though. One laptop though. Come on, son. Y'all can do better. Let's get a man laptops, man, and his colleagues and the students. Y'all can do it. Y'all can do it. I believe in y'all. Shout out to Rebecca. Shout out to Awura. I love you, man. Love what you do. Keep teaching them students. And shout out to Microsoft Africa, man. Even one laptop, we'll go take them. Wahala, no day, we'll take it. Hey, I'm Reflex, and thank you for tuning into this week's segment of, I still don't have a name. Y'all got to help me come up with a name. But yeah, keep sending them stories. I love to check them out, and looking forward to seeing what's hot next week. Send it to sitmpodcast237@gmail.com. I'm going to check them out. We're going to put together something dope for next week. I'm going to see y'all then. Let's get it.